everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. And this is the second experiment with bread and miso making kit. So do you remember 2 weeks ago I corrected 12 different types of bread and using 12 bread and miso making kit to make 12 different bread miso. Yes, am I saying right? Yeah. So 2 weeks I have been looking after these bread miso. They've done first step, so I wanted to share how they've been turned. And today is after 2 weeks, so we need a second liquid with breadstick on it. And one more week I will look after it, and we will get the completed bread miso. 12 different bread miso. And today the weather is great. It's after Easter and I feel like spring. Was it last time I was saying that it was snow? No, yeah, it was, wasn't it? Yeah. But now it's completely like spring vibes, and let's see. Shall we? Let's start. So now I'm going to mix the second bread miso making kit to each bags. Should we start doing it? Just open it on the top. So now I open 12 bread miso making kit, magical liquid too with a black sticker, and all of them have a second liquid inside. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yes, the darker part. So now you see it and mix. One more week. So now it's all bread miso have a second liquid inside, and one more week I'll look after it, and I'll let you know that what kind of results we will get in a week time. And do you remember last time I was actually telling you I got so much bread on the side? You see, it's really like miso-y texture. So I'm gonna mix it, the second liquid, with these guys. Yeah, I'll let you know how it comes. So see you in a week time, and meanwhile, enjoy the weather. See you. Bye.